everyone, and welcome to a new unboxing. You have seen it is this car. This is one of the three cars that the RC Elf, otherwise called Ryan, bought me. He is a nice person that supports growing channels, and mine is a growing channels, even if a wonderful growing channels. And today we open this. I have already explained in my previous video that this one was one of my first RC car wishes, but I never bought because it was very expensive, and it is still quite expensive, because I found in Italy, I suppose, yes, Italy, here near Milan, 439 euros, about $500, a little bit less, but so it's still expensive. But Kyosho was and it is still today in great production cars, one of the best, absolutely. Now we open this and we try to understand how to mount it. I never throw away plastics, perhaps you know. Comment, like and subscribe. Overall, subscribe. Like if you, I hope. Comment, very welcome. So I cut this plastic in this way, and then we open the box. We open the box. We open the box. We open the box. We don't open the box. Okay. Nothing! But here inside, a lot of things. This takes me back in the time. This is a flashback, a powerful flashback. Because, wow, we have two options here. Belt drive or chain drive. I think that I will make it belt drive, not chain drive. Then what we have, this is the gears for the belt, and this is the gear for the chain. Even if I'm a little bit curious to hear the sound of a chain drive car. It's too, ooh, wonderful. Look at this, look at this. Fantastic. Very thin teeth. So this means that it's silent. Motor mount, tires. Wonderful tires. After more than 40 years, I have, these are the frame, parts of the frame, aluminium. Wow, this part, so wonderful. And metal. These shocks, I know them because they are quite similar or maybe the same of Ultima, and I've changed it with the racing one. Kyosho has a line of up options part, and they are gold, bigger and wonderful. But now that I'm able to mount them as requested, perhaps they work. Well, under this, what do we have? Oh, plastic scotch everywhere. Come on. Okay. We have a white box, and quite heavy. And what inside this white box? More stuff inside. Oh wow, yes! They don't use to put this sponge inside the tires, and this is a modern thing. And here we have the rims. Nice, two color, polished and satin. Wonderful. This is a little bit different from the old one. Wow, this is a top model. Wow. This is exactly the same, but in white, not in gold, that I have on my Ultima. Springs. You understand that these are springs. Oil. Another pinion. Bearings. All metal. This is all in metal. Friction. Bearings. Wheel hub. Shock towers. Quite fragile. Differential parts. Grease. This is a pleasure to play with. Wow. Boys, straps for the battery. These are very modern. Oh, this is the head, the roof. This one. All aluminium, metal. For sure it's expensive. Servo saver. Tools. Boy, and here under another box. Another box. And inside this other box we find, sorry for the camera that is flying away. This is it looks carbon fiber because it's black also in this part. Carbon fiber frame. These are parts for the shock absorbers, the pilot. And okay, parts for the wheels. This you understand easily what they are for. High, very high quality. So these are the mechanical bags. These are the plastic bags. Different boxes. And here under this we have the pilot, but the head is in plastic. This is very good because I can paint it and make a very good job. And this is the frame with wing all in orange. For sure, for the use, leaving it in plastic is okay. But as I'm a perfectionist, I like a lot to play. We can say this. And perhaps I will paint it. Primer, then orange, because brilliant, I'm sure it's much more better. It follows the quality of these parts. Okay, and this is quite it. I don't see any engine, servos, no. So, electronics are apart. Very expensive, near $500, no engine, nothing. But we have a part of the solution. I have already shown you. We have the brushless motor with the ESC. So I need just a receiver for my FlySky Noble and the steering servo, and here we need a very quick and quite heavy duty servo, and I have time to find it. So this is it. Look at this. This is a jewel. Thank you very much to the RCF, otherwise called Ryan. Remember, comment, like and subscribe to this guy. What about instructions? Here they are. Before, I want to show you the stickers. These are for the pilot. If you don't want to paint it, you can use stickers. I think that I will paint it. Perhaps I will take this part. They are very nice. But these are for the car. Look at this. Aren't that nice? This is for numbers. Javelin, Javelin. I find it fantastic. Le Mans, this is the motor. I have some Le Mans motor. It would be nice to mount them, but they are quite old. They were the best one, the powerful one, but they don't work anymore very well. I have to change something. And these are instructions. The layout is quite standard, it's quite always the same. All the pieces, all the parts, they are a lot. That's why expensive, lot and very good quality. Here we have the option with a chain drive or with a belt drive. I will use belt drive with a brushless motor. Chain drive with brushless motor, I think it's a little bit weak. Fantastic, fantastic. This is a flashback. This is a real flashback. And so on, very well explained. Natural size to compare the dimensions of the roads. Here it is how to build. There is this wonderful cave with this, but a lot of things that Tamiya doesn't have. And this is the nice thing. Do I have to show you everything? No. So return back to the bye. Ciao. Ciao. Stop. Definitely stop.